Hello, and welcome back to my scrap room. My name is Jennifer Perry. Wondering why you're looking at the floor? Well, I kind of changed a few things up last night, and I thought I would share. Okay, so this is as you walk into my room. And if you notice, I have completely changed the entire orientation of my desk. So this desk used to be on the other side of the room. And this desk was built in place, which means we weren't supposed to be able to move it. But if you were on the Facebook group, you'll see exactly how we did it. So moving around, pardon the light, I waited till late in the day so the sun wouldn't be shining in quite so badly. So we've got my Cricut wall right there. The top shelf right here, that is planner supplies. This is my stickers. The yellow is my brother's Scan and Cut, and then my Cricut. And I'll go through and show some small things in a minute. And then this, I'm gonna have to scroll up and down. Top shelf is my husband's chessboards. He collects chessboards. The shelving unit, nothing has changed with the shelving unit. What's under the shelving unit is where the other part of my desk was. So my desk started here and wrapped around this way. So we totally did a flip of the desk. And then coming around, this is where I used to sit to do all my work. So we have random cord that comes out of the attic. My husband needs to go pull for me. And then this is my favorite bookcase that I was gifted by Amy. She wasn't going to be using it any longer, and I went, I know what I can use that for. And then this is all of my handmade cards. This is what my stamps used to sit in, and when I changed the way I store my stamps, that became a perfect spot for my cards. So let's start a few of the smaller items that you may miss. It's going to be a huge project of historical photographs from my family. So I've gone through and separated every photo I can find from my family into the 3 family groups. So eventually I'll get started on that. The book, the file is just some business stuff. This unit right here is where I pre-plan everything that I'm going to film, and I put all the supplies right here that I need to film with. And then my editing station right there. And then a few more desk items. And move the chair so I don't fall down. A few more desk items. And then this is where I film. And we're going to be changing up the filming. I used to have a mic stand that I would use for my camera, but I've decided to do something different, and I'm waiting for the parts to come in. And then this is the window, so I get plenty of natural light. This is my tool caddy that I use while I'm scrapbooking and filming the videos for you. So if you hear it, is this a familiar sound? So, and then this is just a vase that I keep all of my adhesives in. Cricut, all the cordage, my brother's Scan and Cut, and then this is how I store my stamps in the binders, which I did an entire video on. So if you want to go back and find that video, it's in there. And then I have a magazine rack with all of my trimmers and my stamping platforms and my scoreboards and all that jazz. And then just some general organization. My wall of color. All of my stamp pads, my Close to March stamp pads, are in the closet. And I am not going to open the closet. My cat just came in. Not going to open the closet because that's a mess. And some more general storage. And then this unit here is where I pop all of my memorabilia I just open the drawers and throw stuff in. My stitching buckets, and then this tower here is everything when I'm ready to scrapbook. I'm working on 2014 now, so all the pictures are in there, all the journaling is in there, and all the memorabilia is in there. So I've taken it out of this unit here and I've popped it in a 12 by 12 iris box, and that makes it ready for travel or ready to take to my desk. I just pull one bin out and I have everything that I need for that year in one bin. And then that frees up a drawer for a rotation. So this is in constant rotation. So this is 2016, and down there is 2023. I have my vellum back there and my sticker sheets. And this is some vinyl. I have it. I haven't used it yet. I'm kind of scared too. I gotta get brave on that. And then this bin right here is my scrap bin. So if I need a sheet of paper smaller than 12 by 12, I try here first. If I don't have it there, then I pull it out of my racks. And then this is all of my pattern paper. That's everything that I have. Right there. And then this is my little bin. It's my little dirty clothes basket that I put all my rags in. And then when I get a nice size basket, I take it downstairs because I don't want to wash it with my regular clothes. And then again, all my handmade cards. Well, and a few others that I found, but I don't want to lose them. And then this, up here I have my thickers and my chipboard. This is the envelopes that I put my cards in when they're finished. That is all my re-inkers, some reference books, my Australia album, and then all kinds of miscellaneous items. My bowl of blocks. And then some other reference items. And I pull things off of this thing all the time to reference. And then the old E-size close to my heart stamps. These are the ones that I loved and didn't want to get rid of. Those are the Studio AE. Those are some Allie Edwards stamps when they first came out. These are 2 notebooks full of close to my heart workshops. These are my blenders for the colors. I've got one for the Tim Holtz and one for Close to My Heart. And then these are my bins with my sparkles and my compliments. And then I've got a spare down there, and that's my completed layouts that have no photographs on them. My paper rack. I love my paper rack. And if you're wondering where this came from, it is a cassette player rack, and it fits the shimmer trims and ribbon and the Tim Holtz inks perfectly. So if you're looking for one of these, I found this on eBay. Actually, no, I lied. This was my mother-in-law's. She was gonna sell it and I said no, I wanted it. I think that's it. So on that note, I'm going to let you go. Thank you so much for joining me this evening. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, let me know. Talk to you soon. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.